Let's look at how to make these transparent labels at home using your laser printer and packing tape. So the first thing you'll do is print out your design. It can be in color or black and white. Just make sure you're using a laser printer. Print and trim out your design. If you're using packing tape, make sure it is your design height or width is less than 2 inches, since the width of packing tape is 2 inches. So placing the design on a clean flat surface, the packing tape likes to cling, so you have to be very careful and try to hold down the paper as you're placing it over. Next, you're going to use a spoon or some kind of burnishing tool that's hard, like a bone folder, and you can just press down and make sure the ink of the design adheres well to the packing tape. And depending on what your design is, if you want to trim around it, now would be the time to do so. Okay, now I have my design trimmed out, and you're going to want a bowl of water, which I have here, and you're going to soak it for 5 minutes at least. Okay. Once the design is soaked, you should be able to rub off the paper now, and you may want to run it under clear water until all the paper backing is off. And once the paper is completely removed, your packing tape should be transparent again. And you can just gently rest it on the bowl for it to dry. And once the design is dry, you can place it on your container or whatever you're putting it on. Or in this case, I'm going to put it on some wax paper until it's ready to use.